Hello and welcome to the StillPeaks D86 How to Start video. StillPeaks D86 software calculates ASTM standard distillation curve for gasoline, naphtha and isoparaffin samples from Detailed Hydrocarbon Analysis. For this demo we use the DHA report from StillPeaks DHA application, but it can run on other applications like Dragon DHA and Petri Reporter as well. Do you want it to connect with your DHA? Contact us at info@stillpeaks.com. The StillPeaks D86 software is based on the Fugacity-filmmodel of the distillation flask and the thermometer. Let's run some samples to explain the basics of the application. Here we have the three quite similar light naphtha samples in the StillPeaks DHA. For only one we have the physical D86 data. Let's start the application, the D86 application. Let me first quickly talk you through the information on display. On the left you see the sample name, the automatic sample type assignment and the mode this application will run this sample in. On the right you see the peaks and the D86 tab relevant during and after calculation, the set points tab with the automatic sample type assignment and its settings. You can manually switch to another sample, we don't recommend that. You can change the set points, and similar to the physical standard ASTM D86 method, the calculated initial boiling point in the StillPeaks D86 depend on the sample temperature and the heater temperature before initial boiling point. Raising the heater temperature before IBP shortens time to IBP, which results in less loss and a lower IBP. Decreasing the heater temperature will take longer to IBP, which results in more loss and higher IBP. The sample temperature settings work similarly. A lower sample temperature increases time to IBP, raising IBP and loss. A higher sample temperature shortens time to IBP, resulting in a lower IBP and loss. Let's return to the samples and the physical D86 data. In the fourth tab sheet, I already entered the physical D86 data. Because this is recovered data, therefore it requires to enter loss as well. As shown, the application calculates D86 curve in the sample type mode for samples without physical D86 data. When we hit save, the physical D86 data is now entered and therefore the application runs in physical D86 mode. When samples physical D86 data is entered and cross-check data is entered, the application can run in cross-check mode. Now let me return to the mode we have for these samples. Let's return and now hit run. After the run, we can call the differences between the calculated physical D86 data and the physical D86 data, and the difference is what we call offset. This is a fairly simple sample and the results show here the calculated D86 data and the physical D86 data, and in between the difference. After the run, we can call the difference between the calculated and the physical D86 data as typical for these light naphtha samples. This can be done in R&D only. So I go, here we have the physical D86 data, the difference, the calculated difference, and by clicking the assign to button, now all future light naphtha samples will run in comparison with these settings. Of course you can manually change these settings if you see fit, but for now we leave it at this. The offset is the difference between the physical and the calculated D86 data, And the offset management tool is developed to compare samples without physical D86 data with the typical offsets in that sample type setting. Now we can continue to calculate the D86 curve for the other two light naphtha samples in our example. Let's go back to the DHA and select the next sample, hit the D86 curve, and let's run that as well, and go back to and select the third sample, open the D86 and run that as well. Please be aware, the shown settings in this demo of the sample temperature, the heater temperature and the offset management are for example purposes only. For operational usage, the predefined settings need to be customized. Predefining these settings and managing the boundaries and conditions of the automatic sample type assignment in the R&D mode is recommended to advanced users only. For more detailed explanation on this and other functionality in this application, we refer to upcoming videos, or you can contact us at info@stillpeaks.com. For now, you can see here the calculated results and the difference including the offset for both evaporated and recovered. For now, thank you for watching. Please feel invited to give your feedback. We look forward to hear from you. Thank you very much.